Hello guys, welcome back to Guy with Samuel. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add some colors to your Gmail emails. Changing the text color is a simple way to make your messages more engaging and stylish, whether for professional or personal use. First, open your Gmail on your desktop and click the Compose button on the left side to start a new email. Then, in the Compose window, look just below the message body for a row or formatting icon. Click the one that looks like an E or represents text formatting. Then a new toolbar will appear. Among these options, find and click the text color icon. It usually looks like a capital A with a color bar underneath. After clicking this icon, a color palette will pop up. Here you can pick from a wide range of colors. If you want your text to stand out, try bright or bold colors. For a professional look, choose softer or darker shades. Once you select your preferred color, start typing in the message body. Your text will appear in that chosen color, allowing you to emphasize important points or add a creative touch. And finally guys, if you want to switch back to the default color or try other colors, just repeat these steps anytime. Remember to keep your emails readable and avoid using too many different colors in one message. Stick to one or two colors to maintain clean and professional appearances. And that's it guys, you have now mastered how to change text color in Gmail, making your emails visually appealing and effective. If you found this helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.